He's telling me I gotta wait till tonight to eat.
No, you know, get some food. I killed you yesterday, man. Sorry, my apologies if you ain't uploaded any food yesterday.
Upload any food. I never uploaded any food to my belly. Forget YouTube. You know what I mean? Let me stop.
These people are like, you know, like Roman gypsies.
Yeah.
Call them Roman gypsies.
Yeah.
The only difference is Roman gypsies are affluent.
Yeah.
These people are poor. But that's their life. You know, like the Papuas and the goats.
Yeah. Alright guys, it's morning. Well, it's not morning. It's...
Thank you, Warrington.
Okay, so yes, the solicitors. The solicitors goes there.
No, Islamic Association.
Is it? Yeah, but the solicitors fund in a minute. Warrington. Anyway, the time is now 15:54. Rafi decided to come up and say now, that it's time to eat. I missed my breakfast. I missed everything. He's got his steering wheel half sorted. Yeah? But we're going to find a little place to eat first. So that's the first stop of the day. You know what I mean? If he doesn't hit a car, inshallah. You get me? Yeah. What they got? Got pizza. Huh? Italian pizzas and stuff. The burger there, cuz burger. Profi's not in the mood for a burger. What's the name of the place? This. Kalan Hotel. Well, let's go inside. Today, keema and what is it? Karela and keema, some salad, raita, and a little drink today. Because Rofi's on a diet. Shukr alhamdulillah, Rof Mullah's smashed the food. You get me? He's still on it. You know what I mean? I'll be honest, the food here is nice, it's spicy, but it's really nice.
You never let me eat yesterday all day.
Mate, I never ate all day yesterday, okay, because of you. I lost 1 kilo, you get me? But anyway,
driving a slave day all day.
Yeah, but anyway, from this nice little hotel here, mashallah, we're gonna go get some dessert and then get Rofi's tyre sorted and then the next spot, inshallah.
ये जनाब होटल ने कमरान शाह ये जनाब दरियाल चौक के पीछे होटल वाली गली बीच कमरान शाह होटल
Jazakallah. Boss, mashallah, that was dinner sorted. Now we're gonna go find some gums for me, man. You get me? Because I left my gums. In my other car. Rofi driving through some back roads and that. You get me? What I mean?
Still in the Diyal,
Yeah, we're still in the Diyal, man. The Diyal, the spot. That's the only British geezer we spotted early on from Halzoin. Yeah. The market though, it looks good. Because you know the other shop, the other fake shop, that was too expensive. Because you get me? They're the same prices what you get them in England. You know what I mean? And they weren't even top quality, to be quite honest. You get me? Another fake shop here, look there.
Yeah, there's a few.
Decided to get some Nare Mari and socks and stuff and Rofi's. Oh, what the hell, man? He's going there, man. What else we got here? Oh, the little twinkling minkies. Ask how much these are cost?
250.
Yeah. Okay, man. Let's go pick something up from here as well, innit? We just come from this bazaar, we had a little look around. Rofi's bought himself some crepes and stuff, you know what I mean? So we're going to buy some crepes as well. Yeah. All these ladies' slippers, nippers and stuff and everything here, whatever you need. Come to our next juice shop, stop here. Get some juice. Rofi's feeling thirsty, you get me? Everything here goes on with Rofi. Rofi's getting thirsty again. Somebody's got a big massive fire on over there, got all that stuff going on. The video did lagi. Sahi de kadru him. Sahi. Okay, boss. Look, watch him. All that strength. Pour it in, man. Pour it in. You know what I mean? हाँ.
चीनी मिनी डालो
और शो. तो ते कौन से? मर्दान ये? हाँ, खान बाबा पिजानी.
खान बाबा.
Oh, पिजानी. आधे मुम्मल करे थे.
अच्छा.
Oh.
जिंदाबाद.
Okay ना, पूछ भी. हाँ. देख सुनो अखना कोर कहीं दे.
सलोर नष्ट में वश हुई.
हाँ. हवाला मर्दों के कोर का.
ना, दस में कार का वो दिवाली मजदूरी.
हाँ सही है. दो बेशर है मना, दो शेर देखना पूछ भी वो. नमाज़ सदा.
नमाज़ सजादुल्लाह.
सलाम अलैकुम सजादुल्लाह. हाँ. Go look, squeeze it, be dropping there. He's asked me if I want some sugar and salt in there. I go, why not? You know what I mean? Make it a bit tasty. And then I pour some of that in there. Some syrup, sugar syrup that is. What else has he got? There you go. Look how fresh. What's that? Blood in it. You get me? Look at the blood. Wax it all in. Looks banging, banging. Angrizitan man shema. So banging which is a banging there, yeah. Huh? The takazaka which is a banging there. Banging, yeah. Juice banging, yeah.
Juice banging there.
Yeah, there you go. Juice banging there. Look, see, there you go. You know what I mean? Pashtunun, mashallah, happy people. They're khashol khali Pashtunun. Pushwi.
Juice banging.
Yeah, banging juice. Huh? You go banging juice there, yeah. Banging Malta juice. Banging.
Malta juice, G.
There you go. See, he's killed it. He's learned it, man. You get me? He's done his English test. Can't go wrong. It's got a nice little hut. Mustafa is there. Also look. Little hut. Pinchilia. I think they do Ghana sugarcane juice over there. They must do some ice creams and other stuff as well. It's a nice hut. Looks good. You know what I mean? Go look. That's the vampire drink. The vampire drink that is. And that's the orange one. Proper nice. Nice and fresh. Made in front of us. By his brother here. A drink. That's Rolfi's. I don't know. He's over there somewhere chatting to somebody. He's doing something. God knows what he's up to now. Go chatting to somebody. There he is. I can see him. Well, he'll come himself. Rolfi's do some mad stuff. We got the drink here. He's made some mates across the road. We've got a fire. And he wants us to go across and sit with him in the fire. Look at that car, one light. I thought that was a scooter. Anyway, I'm dashing across here now. I'm sitting with these guys here, mashallah. They got some guavas selling here, look. Proper guava. And this is the life. This is the life. Look, we're drinking juice here. With these brothers here, they got a fire on. You know what I mean? And there's Rolf. Oh, Rofi, you know why we don't get nothing done in Pakistan?
Like what?
Like anything we need to do. Ask me why we don't get nothing done.
Why don't we get anything done?
Because you stop with every person. Don't say because we eat everywhere, yeah? Because you stop with every single person.
Not every single person.
Who haven't you ever stopped here?
Not every single.
Who haven't you ever
I
stopped?
don't even stop. Opportunity arises for the social interaction.
Boss, I'll leave it at that. These big Chaudhrys love driving around these jeeps, innit? Huh? Rofi, the big Chaudhrys love driving in the jeeps, innit? Yeah? Rofi, what's he cooking? Rofi, what's he cooking? This geese is making something. Rofi won't tell me. What's he making, cuz? What's he peanuts? What's he making?
The warming of the.
Oh, just roasted peanuts. Oh, alright. Look nice, man.
You know when the warmer, your peanuts when the warmer,
Yeah.
it tastes nicer.
Yeah, you want some?
You know, in England, we've never done that.
We don't know that. You want some?
No, you need to have it. Goes on the drive and just
Let's try one, innit? So if he doesn't mind, so give me one. Jazakallah, yeah? Let's try one. Let's try, yeah. Yeah, man. That's different, nice. That's nice. Yeah, it tastes nice, you know. Yeah. Something different, man. Yeah. He's taking down some side roads and side alleyways. You know what I mean? God knows where he's taking us. There's a rich car down there. What else is here?
The cat.
The cat. Don't kill the cat, man. That's Rofi's at a puncher, man. He's trying to sort his puncher out from early on. Let's get it fixed by the geezer, yeah. Check the rims, man. Check the rims in it. Time to sort it out. He's taking us on a mission tomorrow, man. He has to sort out that spare tyre. You know what I mean? We got all the same equipment here as in the UK, man. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's tubeless or not, but let's see. Rofi's trying to get his puncher sorted today. Is there bubbles? The bubbles or what?
Hey, Farag, bro.
Yeah, bro. What Farag? What's Farag? Show me the Farag.
He goes, this is
Why, bro? Jord.
Jordan.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you fix it, bro. This Pakistan. You got it.
How are you, brother?
I'm okay, bro. Yeah. Rock and Steel, yeah. Health and Fitness. Palwan's Palace. Yeah, it's a palace, isn't it? Place. It's a place, a place.
It's called Rock and Steel Health and Fitness.
Yeah, what's that other bit say?
That's a Palwan's Palace.
Yeah, I thought it said place.
No,
you know.
place, he does, yeah, place.
Well, that's what I'm trying to say to you. You messed me up, man. What's going on? You get me? Both brought us to the gym. We're going to do a bit of workout here now, you know what I mean? Rolf's going to pick up some big plates and that, you get me, you know what I mean? Some big 50 chests and that. These guys are working out. That's the geezer, this geezer here. He used to own a blue, He used to own a rock gym before this geezer, you know? Yeah. I was doing that. Look at the size of him. Look at the size of you. Huh? Roti a day, 2 roti a day, 1 chicken, huh?
Yeah, true.
Yeah, you gotta eat and everything, but mashallah, the gym looks nice, you know? You get me?
You seen
Fat and clean.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, man, big friend. Yeah.
Oh, keep.
Yeah, man, we met this brother here, bro. Tell him, bro, what you're thinking.
Alright, my name's Wajid.
Yeah?
A lot of locals around here know me. I won Mr. Pakistan.
Yeah.
2017, heavyweight class gold medalist.
Mashallah.
First Kashmiri to do so.
Mashallah.
In 70 years of the first whatever.
Mashallah.
And then after that, I moved here 12 years ago and opened this lovely gym here.
Mashallah, it's a nice gym,
There's
yeah.
no general rate, there's no council tax, there's no gas bill, there's no water rate, there's no insurance.
Yeah.
I earn, I give my charity, and the rest I eat.
That's
Nothing for the system. There is no system. That's the beauty of
Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Jazakallah, bro. Thank you. But we let the brother carry on with his sets and that, brother, man. But you know, your gym is beautiful, mashallah.
Exactly.
It's
I've
nice.
only opened it about I've worked the last 6-7 years in Islamabad.
Okay.
I was an instructor there.
Okay.
For Mom Rana, all these actors and all that kind of thing. Alhamdulillah. Then I made that money and whatever I earned, I reinvested over here.
Yeah, I saw it on Icky's Facebook. You know, he uses, you know, Icky.
Yeah.
You guys
One day.
Yeah, now with Rolf, he's took his hat off. He set up the table. Let's see how much he cheats now, innit? Yeah? You're good? Huh? Better Mazba. You got Mazba? You ain't got a Mazba. How you gonna bet a Mazba? So that's the place. Yeah, look, everybody's playing pool and stuff and that. So we thought we'd have a game too. Fair and square now, yeah. And this guy's messing about now. Now he's look. Just because you're color blind and you don't know what to hit, it's not my fault. You get it? You know what I mean? I won fair and square. Let's go. Inshallah, last stop for the day is Dixie's. So feeling a bit peckish. Let's have something to eat before we walk it off later on. It's got what's it got? Beletto's desserts upstairs, king of desserts. Love food, love Dixie chicken. Let's see how it compares to the UK one.
from me. I said, you know what? I don't fancy an egg.
Yeah.
He goes, at least feed me an egg.
Yeah, so say if you paid for it, yeah.
I said, I paid for you to eat
Yeah,
it.
what's you gonna throw them away?
And,
You're hiding them in socks or something?
Yeah. I said to him, how many eggs can you eat? He goes, as much as you will pay me.
Yeah, that's
well,
right.
How many eggs in the bucket? He goes, 17. And I said to him, well, if you eat the whole 17, you know, I'll give them.
And look what he said last. He goes, I'll eat them at home.
No, he goes. I also said to him, if you don't eat the whole 17, I'm not gonna pay you.
Yeah.
He goes, I eat them at home. So
you can't eat at home. That's a scam. You're trying to scam us, bruv. Huh? You know what I mean? Where do you hide that one in your socks?
No, but yet.
Yeah. Here in Dixie's, chilling. We got this little young kid here, Najibullah. I'm saying, mother. Najibullah, he's selling eggs, so we thought, you know, we'll invite him to eat with us. He wanted a burger, so you know, I thought, let him eat with us, innit? Why not, innit? You get me? You gotta do something good in life. This is the end of the vlog for today.
This is the other high street in the daytime. How busy he was looking it up.
Yeah, man, everything's dead up there. Everybody's gone home. They're all hiding
after Maghrib, man. This is like it.
Plus, they're all inside their cumbles. You get me, you know what I mean?
A lot of them, yeah.
A lot of them hiding, you know what I mean? Anyway, we're gonna sign off. We're gonna catch you on the next vlog. Say Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz, and all that, Mulakman.
Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.
See you on the next one, yeah?
Yeah, inshallah, see you on the next one.